To celebrate National Women's Month and the 4th nationwide fire drill, women firefighters showcased their skill in an all-women drill at the 578 Mall in Borongan City, Eastern Samar. The event themed Women on Fire highlighted women's key role in fire safety and emergency preparedness. V. Tolentino Gumban of the Philippine Information Agency, Eastern Samar, tells us more.
As part of the celebration of National Women's Month and the 4th nationwide fire drill for high-density occupancies this March, women firefighters showcased their firefighting skills through an all-women fire drill at 578 Mall in Borongan City, Eastern Samar. The activity, with the theme Women on Fire, focused on the important role of women in fire safety and emergency response, as well as the significance of preparedness. According to Fire Chief Inspector Jimmy Corpin Pasage, Provincial Fire Marshal of BFP Eastern Samar, the activity was conducted simultaneously across the country.
Sila po yung nag-conduct ng fire drill, sila po yung driver nun is female din po. Yung mga lahat ng crew na nandun na nag-perform during the fire drill are all female. Yun know, isa po sa mga namin yun, isa sa mga program namin yun para mai-promote din natin kung gaano yung how responsible are women sa ating society since we are observing as well as also mga babae din po yung pina-perform ng ating occupancy din sa 578.
Meanwhile, the Philippine National Police conducted an all-women checkpoint in support of the 2025 National Women's Month celebration, where female personnel from the Eastern Samar Police Provincial Office and various police stations led checkpoints on national roads across the province. The team was composed of female police officers supported by female personnel from the Bureau of Fire Protection, PNP Highway Patrol Group, and the 78th Infantry Battalion of the Philippine Army.
Ang masasabi ko po sa lahat ng kababaihhan ko, ma'am, sa lahat po ng babae, kaya natin, hindi lang tayo babae, kundi babae tayo, may magagawa tayo, at kung ano yung magagawa ng lalaki ay kaya rin natin gawin.
Women are the foundation of society. Through their care, guidance, and strength, strong and progressive communities are built. From the Philippine Information Agency, Eastern Samar, V. Tolentino Gumban, Balitang Pambansa.